Hey everyone, today we're at Albany Auto and Motorcycle. We're standing North 2nd Street next to the park between North Pearl Street and Broadway. In front of us is the Broadway. Right now we're in the corner of Walter Street and North 2nd Street, and you see the Broadway as well. Alright, so let me just get into the traffic. Again, if you guys want to use the GPS, you're going to put a Albany DMV road test site and you will be able to see it as well. We have a nice park on the right side, so just look very beautiful. All right, so again, you will see the line, you will see the sign says the line start here, so just be careful because again this is a very narrow two-way street, guys. Okay, so again, let's say we're gonna make a right turn here. Again, do not turn on red. It says there, do not turn on red. So again, in Albany you are allowed to make a right turn on a red light, but again it says don't no turn on red, don't turn, simple. Okay, all right, we just made the right turn. Again, this one is Broadway. It's pretty huge, you know, it's not bad. All right, so right now we're going to make a left turn. Make sure you be careful on oncoming traffic, and we're going to the south. You know, this is again to one of the narrow street. Make sure it's a two-way, and again you don't see no divider or stuff like that. So again, just be careful, and you will see most of the cars are parked on the both sides. So we're gonna be more to the right if it's possible, as much you can. Okay. All right, we're gonna make a right turn on a Champlain Street. Again, this is a regular stop sign, and there is no line, so you line up with the bar to bar. You stop twice, right? First time for pedestrian, second for traffic. If it's clear, again, it's not much traffic. That's one of these good things. All right, we're making a right turn. Again, as you can see, you don't see no curb or anything like that. We're gonna make it again right turn again. Again, this is a regular stop sign. You're gonna stop twice. And again, if you go on the left side, you will see railroad crossing as well. But again, I don't think so you will go there. Anyway, let's make a right turn here. That's it. All right. Again, we're gonna hit the Broadway again. We see a stop sign. We're gonna make a right turn again. Okay, make sure you stop twice. And again, today I don't see much traffic, but usually there's not much traffic either. So I'm gonna make it. Okay, and on the light, as you can see, this is North 2nd Street. Either we'll make a left turn or pull over to the right when you're done, but you're gonna go straight. Let me just show you around the area. We are on the Broadway and Main Street. Okay, again, it's a very long street. So hopefully we can able to make a left turn, or either you can do any right or left turn, or you can get to North Pearl Street. So we're gonna make a left turn. Make sure you have to give right away oncoming traffic. Okay. Again, this is one way, so you should be in the middle. Okay. We're gonna get to North Pearl Street. We're gonna make a left turn on North Pearl Street. Okay. Let's work with the line. Again, guys, North Pearl Street is a two-way, so make sure, and it has a yellow line divider. You should be moving to the right side, right? So again, the Broadway and North Pearl Street is pretty much the wider street, and anything that is like very small and narrow street. Okay. We are at North 30th Street and North Pearl Street. Again, 30th Street is first way, and again on our right side you have Albany Public Library as well. It's pretty huge and nice. And guys, if you're watching my video and if you want to put a nice comments for to help other person, please do so. Okay, all right. Okay, so it's coming North 2nd Street. We're gonna make a left turn. It's like pretty much where we will start on. Again, guys, if you're making a right turn and if you see there is a no turn on red, make sure do not turn. Okay. If we are making a left turn, again, this is narrow two-way street. Okay. Either you pull over to the right, or either you make a right turn here. We're gonna make a right turn here on Walter Street, and we're just gonna pull over to the right next to the church, guys. Okay. All right, guys. Here it is. This is the Albany driver license road to side in Albany. Guys, thank you for watching.